Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Cypherock Wallet, a platform that's redefining how we safeguard our digital assets. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or you're just starting out, understanding the tools available for assets protection is crucial. So let's embark on this journey together and uncover what makes Cypherock a standout choice in the realm of crypto storage. Let's break down its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately make a decision. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, securing one's digital assets has become paramount. Traditional methods often rely on seed phrases and centralized storage solutions, which, while common, come with their own set of vulnerabilities. Enter Cypherock, a Singapore-based company founded in 2019 with a mission to revolutionize crypto asset security. At the heart of Cypherock's innovation is the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. Unlike conventional wallets that store private keys in a single location, the X1 employs a groundbreaking approach by decentralizing key storage. This method not only enhances security but also simplifies the user experience, addressing common pain points associated with traditional hardware wallets. Now let us talk about the main features of the Cypherock wallet. Decentralized key storage with Shamil's secret sharing. The X1 utilizes Shamil's secret sharing algorithm to split your private key into 5 distinct parts, 4 encrypted cards, and the X1 Vault device itself. To access your funds, any 2 of these 5 components are sufficient, providing a robust defense against single points of failure. This means even if you misplace or have parts stolen, your assets remain secure. Elimination of seed phrases. Traditional wallets often require users to manage and securely store seed phrases, a task prone to human error. Cypherock removes this burden by eliminating the need for seed phrases altogether, reducing the risk of loss or theft associated with written backups. Comprehensive asset support. Supporting over 9,000 digital assets, including major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, the X1 ensures versatility. Its compatibility with various blockchain networks and seamless integration with DeFi platforms via Wallet Connect allows users to manage a diverse portfolio effortlessly. Robust security measures. The X1 is built with an EAL6 Plus certified secure chip, offering bank-grade security standards. Its 3-factor authentication system comprising the device, the card, and PIN adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that only authorized users can access the assets. User-friendly recovery mechanism. In the unfortunate event of losing the X1 Vault device, recovery remains straightforward. As long as you possess at least 2 of the 4 encrypted cards, you can restore access to your funds, providing peace of mind and flexibility in asset management. Now let us talk about the pricing. The Cypherock X1 is competitively priced at €129, reduced from its original price of €159. This pricing positions it as an affordable option, especially when considering its advanced security features. When compared to other premium hardware wallets, such as Ledger's touchscreen models, priced up to $500, the X1 offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on security or functionality. Let us talk about the pros and cons of using Cypherock Wallet. First, the pros. Enhanced security. The decentralized storage of private keys and elimination of seed phrases significantly reduce common vulnerabilities associated with traditional wallets. User-friendly interface. The X1's design and functionality cater to both beginners and experienced users, offering a seamless experience in managing digital assets. Extensive asset support. With support for over 9,000 cryptocurrencies and integration with DeFi platforms, the X1 provides versatility in asset management. Affordable pricing. At €129, the X1 delivers premium security features at a fraction of the cost of some high-end competitors. How about the cons? Limited mobile compatibility. As of now, the X1 lacks compatibility with Android and other devices, which may be a drawback for users who prefer mobile management of their assets. Screen quality. The device features a basic 0.96 inches OLED display, which may not match the higher quality screens found in some competing hardware wallets. Here's the big question: is Cypherock the future of crypto storage in 2025? As we navigate through 2025, the landscape of cryptocurrency storage continues to evolve, with security remaining a top priority for users worldwide. Cypherock's innovative approach to asset protection, decentralizing private keys, eliminating seed phrases, and implementing robust authentication measures positions it as a formidable player in the market. The X1's emphasis on user-friendly recovery mechanisms and extensive asset support addresses many of the challenges faced by crypto enthusiasts today. Its competitive pricing further enhances its appeal, making advanced security accessible to a broader audience. However, the platform is not without its area for improvement. The current lack of mobile compatibility may deter users who rely heavily on smartphones for asset management. Additionally, while functional, the device's display could benefit from enhancements. But in conclusion, Cypherock represents a significant step forward in the quest for secure and user-centric crypto storage solutions. As the platform continues to evolve and address its limitations, it has the potential to set new standards in the realm of cryptocurrency security. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ledger Nano X, Trezor Model T, and Engrave Zero. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.